The cargo ship that had been blocking the Suez Canal for the whole week was finally refloated yesterday, so the traffic has been restored. It might take 3 more days to stabilize the situation in the Suez Canal. The main economic news of the week, that is the jobs report in the US for March and for the week, will be published on Wednesday and Thursday. Market participants hope that the recent improvement in the US employment last week will be confirmed by major reports. Oil continues to surprise the markets. The blocking of the Suez Canal has finally ended and the traffic will stabilize in a couple of days. Yet there's another important event for oil. On April the 1st, OPEC will hold its next meeting. If the alliance decides to maintain the existing output cuts, oil prices will rise. Otherwise, oil may slump in case production volumes increase. At the moment, Brent is trading at $64.90 per barrel. It is expected to stay in the price range of $63.50 to $66 per barrel. WTI has settled at $61.50 and is forecast to trade in the channel between $60 and $63. Yesterday, the ruble advanced moderately against the US dollar, but its upside potential is still weak. Experts think that the ruble may stop rising in the short term. The negative factors for the Russian currency are still the same. First of all, investors are concerned about sanctions against the federal loan bonds. Secondly, the risk of new sanctions from the West remains high. Oil prices that traditionally support the ruble may not rise at a rapid pace. Today, the dollar-ruble pair was trading at the level of 75.40. The ruble is expected to stay in the range of 74.50 and 76.50 against the dollar. Against the euro, the ruble also failed to gain ground, even though the European currency eased against the greenback. A new breakout of the COVID infection in the EU and a slow vaccination process threatened to stall the economic recovery and put even more pressure on the euro. Today, the euro versus the ruble pair was trading at 88.70. The ruble is likely to hold in the range between 87.50 and 90 per euro. The vaccination process in Europe is going at a much slower pace than in the US and UK, where 30 and 45% of the population have already been vaccinated correspondingly. Meanwhile, the vaccination rate in Russia is only 6%, while no more than 10% of residents have been vaccinated in Moscow. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.